Well, hello there. Good morning, you YouTubers. Thanks for joining Soaring Eagle here. We're just going to do a quick little synopsis here. I'm putting a radio into a Kenworth truck, and follow along. Customer has a radio license, not a problem there. So let's get this thing installed. Alright, already mounted the antenna. He has AM, FM, 2 CB whips on there, but we mounted stainless steel high gain coil and whip on the mirror there as well. So I'll just quickly show you up top here. Clamps onto the mirror mount, goes in through a rubber grommet and heads inside. Customer on this truck wants to keep his CB in there, so what we'll do is we'll stack up the radio on the bottom there, and we're going to use the 3.5mm speaker jack, plug it into the radio instead of the CB. They use the VHF a lot more, so we'll use the speaker on this one. And we already have the PO259 with the FME adapter on there. Is what we tend to use today. It's a little easier to navigate the cable through all the cavities and roof liner and whatnot. So what I'm going to do now is just mount the VHF radio right to the bottom panel on there. Won't bore you with drilling some holes and putting the bracket on there, but I'll show you afterwards. And we'll get this thing plumbed in and wire it up, and be a short little video. Just I'm putting the Icom 5023H VHF radio into this nice looking Kenworth. All right, there we go. Got the radio mounted underneath the hinged opening, just underneath the CB there. And you can still take this up to get back inside there for the wiring. Clip that right back in, and we're ready to go. 10-4, big buddy. Let's get this truck on the road and making some money.